Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the latest design HIFU machine. It combines MFU and RF technologies. The advantage of this machine: 1. Strong energy, 2. Comfortable, 3. Easy to carry. Now we turn on the machine. This machine has two handles. This is FL handles. We can choose the treatment path and adjust parameters according to customers' skin situation and feelings. And this handle has a screen. We can adjust the catch. This is SD handles. We can adjust the parameters according to customers' situation and feelings. This is a single control system, so we can only use one handle on treatment. This machine is equipped with 7 cartridges, but it has 10 cartridges to choose. This is SD cartridges, have 4 types of different depths. This is FL handles cartridges, has 6 types of different depths. Different depths used on different parts. Now we install the cartridges. After install it, put it on the hanging rack. As you can see, this is blue colored. Correspond this blue colored dress, and then install it. We install the SD cartridges. Take care of the slot, and then install it. Put it on the hanging rack. This is gray color, correspond this gray color dress, and then install it. Okay, this is finished. Now let's draw the face of this operation first. Line the corners of your mouth 1 finger outward, then connect it to this eye and draw it. Draw lines inwards about 2 fingers from the ear. Now let's draw the operation grid in this outline. For the face, we use 3 and 4.5 cartridges. Let's use 4.5 cartridges to demonstrate this first. Look at the point, the length. Underline the length of the cartridge. Draw vertically, then connect at. This is a vertical operation. The method of horizontal operation also draws lines according to cartridge's length, then connect. When operating after the energy is emitting, then moved. Repeat this fixed point operation. To manipulate the forehead, we need to avoid the middle of the forehead, between 2 eyebrows. Make a cross so this place cannot operate. Draw a line from the eyebrows. Do not operate inside the bridge. You can work with a finger out of the scale. Draw a line connecting. This can be operated. Line the length of the cartridge just about 2 positions. Draw horizontal operation line and connect. When operating, the client's eyeballs should be lifting, bring it up for operation. Chin uses a tool cartridge. Draw this face on the chin, connect to this face and this thread, then draw according to the cartridge length about to position, lift up. Avoid the slow. Operate the neck here. This slow should be avoided. This place to make a cross, do not operate too. Also draw lines along the length of the cartridge. Avoid this place behind here, don't operate. Then underline vertically, draw a line and mark it. SD cartridges operation, let's just go like this. The way to lift it up in circles, it should be close to the skin operate and bring it up. We can use fist horn operation. It's usually done in circles and then lift it up, mainly to improve this upper muscle. Bring it up. Repeat the steps.